Hi guys, this is Miss Rivera. I'm going to show you how to upload your work on Google Classroom. You're welcome to email it to me. However, it's also easy if you can attach it here. And if you learn how to do that, I can provide feedback to you. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And as you get more comfortable with it, maybe you can drop it in there for ease of access, okay? So again, you will see your stream, okay? We want to go to classwork. When you click on classwork, you're going to see your assignment. So since we were working on research, you can see your links here, okay? So you had some links that it linked to your Google slide with your information. You have the concept mind map of me showing you how to do it. You have directions for EPIC. You have some of your guiding questions for your country research, a link to PebbleGo, and you have your untitled documents. If you click here on View Assignment, your screen looks like this. So I'm on a student screen right now to show you how to turn in your work. If you have questions that you want to ask me, or you need guidance with something, you can always type in, "Hi, Miss Rivera," and you can type to me what you need, okay? And then you click the little paper arrow and it'll send it to me, okay? Over here is a private comment. So that one will go straight to me as well, okay? So this is something that is more personal that you want to tell me, like, "Miss Rivera, how do I change this? How do I change that on my paper?" And I can help you do that, okay? Anything that you attach here, I have sharing with it so I can look at it while you do as well. Now we're going to talk about if I had typed into this document, okay? So if you had used this document to type your stuff in, it's a Google document, so you don't have to press save. It automatically saves anything that you do in here, okay? So you could have taken your notes over here. You can also press this button. On this button, you can link to your Google Drive. You can link a website, you can put a file in here. Now, what would be probably appropriate for this assignment is you could have taken pictures. You could have taken pictures of the work that you did. And if that's the case, you can click on File. Now, I already have my pictures here, so I'm just going to drag and drop them. And then you'd click the Upload button. And they're all going to attach, okay? So now when they attach, I can open them up to make sure what I have. So over here were some of my guiding questions, my sources of information, my note facts, and my mind mapping. And when I'm ready and I like it, I can go ahead and turn it in, okay? You're going to double click the button, turn in, and then your assignment will be turned into me. So then I see it as finished. All right, guys, so feel free to experiment with that. If you have any questions, remember you can send me a comment down here in the private comments, okay? Try not to post too many things on the stream, guys. I had to delete some of the comments because they were too many. So it kind of crowds our announcements and our assignments. So just be careful about what you're posting, okay? We want to be very respectful to everybody. All right, guys, hear from you soon. Bye-bye.